So you are new to the MacBook and you have just switched from Windows to MacBook, but uh, and you want to copy paste various things, but in MacBook copy paste is not as same as Windows. Uh, you need to type Command C to copy and Command V to paste. But in Windows we need to type Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste, but here it did not happen. But you can change it. To do this, go to Apple icon, System Settings. From System Settings, go to Keyboard. From Keyboard, go to Keyboard Shortcuts. From Keyboard Shortcuts, go to Modifier Keys. Now, in Modifier Keys, you see Control key. You will change it to Command, and in Command, you change it to Control. Now, keep it done. Now, if you Control C, edit copy, and paste, and that's it.